Professor Sadia Rashid, President, Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, my dearest, courageous and precious children from Pakistan and neighboring countries, Assalamu alaikum and very warm greetings from World Health Organization Pakistan. I am extremely privileged and honored to be among you on the occasion of 30th International Conference on Children's Health. I appreciate the organizers, Hamdard Foundation and Hamdard Public School on their relentless devotion to this prime agenda of children's health and engaging children in global health affairs. It is extremely heartening to witness a huge number of children from Pakistan and other countries coming together to share their perspectives on global health. Dear children, I would like to share with you that the World Health Day is celebrated every year on 7th April. This year's theme is Our Planet, Our Health. Environmental health has been a critical focus on global health agenda over many years. It has become even more important and pertinent as the issues of pollution, climate change, ecological challenges and triple burden of disease have surfaced more severely. On this day, we call upon governments and development partners to contribute towards reduction of public health threats globally. Today, let us all pledge for clean air, safe water and sanitation and focus on health and well-being of every citizen including children. Wishing you all a fruitful discussion. I thank you.